Hey, folks, Oran Z here. You may know me as the world's fastest hair weaver, an artist, and an author. But today, forget about weaving hair, we're weaving the layers of cheesecake. Look at this beauty, isn't it grand? But wait, there's not just one, not just 10, but 100 cheesecakes in my latest book. This masterpiece is called 100 Cheesecakes, and I've crafted it specially for my grandson JJ. But good news, you can be part of the Cheesecake clan too. Mark your calendars. From September 1st to the 5th, I'm giving away this book for free. Yes, you heard it right. Free. Why, you ask? Well, why not? Life is too short for bad vibes but never too short for good cheesecake. From classic New York style to exotic Durian Cheesecake, this book has got it all. It's like a weave of flavors, but in cake form. Listen, I've authored over 100 books, and I've got to say, none of them are as cheesy as this one. So, don't miss out. Grab your free copy of 100 Cheesecakes from September 1st to the 5th. Let's make the world a cheesier place together. Visit www.aranswonderweave.com for more details. https://amzn.to/3epsask. Ebook on Amazon. Check out my website for more details and let the cheesecake extravaganza begin. Oran Z. See you soon, cheesecake enthusiasts.